Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor, currently working in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. This is the last content of chapter number 5, Checkout. The content objective is that to understand late post departure courtesy services. This is the last session or content of 5.6 of the checkout chapter, post departure courtesy services. As you know that post departure is even termed as after departure activities which need to be performed by front office department in hotels. There are some tasks and there are some duties which needs to be performed by the front office department when the departure is already done. So what kind of activities and what kind of jobs or roles we need to play for post departure procedure, and that is called courtesy services, and which will be performed by the front office department in hotels. In this stage, ensure that how you can build the public relation with the guests, those who have been already left from the hotel, and how to maintain the relation with the guests, how to make a good bond with the guests so that the guests will come again and again to your hotel. So there is a procedure. There could be some kind of strategy, or there could be some kind of process which will keep in touch with the guests all the time. So through birthday cards, through marriage anniversary greetings by the hotel to keep in touch with the guest, and certainly is liked by the guest by doing so. Every person would like if he or she gets some kind of greetings or any bouquet or any kind of good message or emails from the next person. So the same system should be adopted by the front office staff. As a policy, he should send the birthday cards. Maybe it will be a soft copy or hard copy, or marriage anniversary greetings, maybe in the soft copy or hard copy, to all the guests who had stayed in your hotel. And you want to make the good relation with the guests, so that whenever they'll think of to come back to your city, so they will come to your hotel only, they will not go to any other hotel. So front office department should work on that, how to have a different kinds of birthday greeting cards with various designs and messages, and with various marriage anniversary greetings and messages. And as and when it is been required to send, you should send to respective guests, so that guests will feel happy, and they will remember your hotel, they will remember your name, and every time whenever they'll come back to your city, they will only come to your hotel, they will not go to any other hotel. So that is the impact of your courtesy services, which should be done after post departure. And I would say that after post departure the work is very important, that how to retain your customer guest, so that every time whenever they'll come, they should choose only your hotel as compared with any other hotel. So that is the impact, and that is the overall objectives or output to go for courtesy services for post departure. Because whenever guests receive any kind of messages or any things, they really feel happy, and they really appreciate your efforts and hard work that you are putting in your courtesy service, and they would really like to come again and again to your hotel uh, to render the services of your hotel. Post departure messaging is not surprisingly a message automatically delivered to someone soon after they check out of your hotel or resort. See, always remember that never send any message or any phone calls to your guest who has recently been departed from your hotel, because he may be doing traveling, or he may be stuck in somewhere else, or she may be stuck in somewhere else. And don't try to disturb them, and don't try to send too many messages once the guest has been departed from the hotel. It doesn't look nice. So ensure that there should be a time when you will send the message, good greetings or message, or any bouquet which are available on softline. So when what will be the correct timing when you can send all those messages which will be delivered automatically to your guest? So check for that, and ensure that Don't try to pressurize the guest by sending too many messages. Triggered by reservation data, ensure that timing varies a bit based on the results of the individual marketers. These campaigns are often sent a few days after the guest leaves to account for travel time. Like I have mentioned, there are so many guests. The moment they left from the hotel, they might go to any other meetings or seminars or workshop, or they may be in the travel, or they may be stuck in the traffic, or they may be having their own thoughts, or they must be thinking for any other problems or whatever. So uh, trigger them all the time by the reservation data, or do not send any messages or do not send any mails during those that time, at least to wait for 2 days, and then you can decide to go for any feedback sent, or to send the feedback or to send any messages to your guest. Don't go and apply all the marketing strategies or techniques suddenly when the guest left from the hotel. So give some time to your guest so that he or she will also respond nicely on your feedback. It's important to not wait too long, however, as most such messaging contains a request for feedback through a survey, and waiting too long could mean memories and insights may not be as accurate as they could have been had they been reached sooner. Again, ensure that there shouldn't be any delay from your side, that you are waiting for 3 to 4 days or 5 days, and then you're sending messages or good greetings or any feedback forms to your guest, and then till the time guest might forget all the services which he or she rendered of your hotel, or he might or she might forget all the good time which he or she spent in your hotel. So always fix a timing and the days, that after how many days you should go and send the feedback to your guest, so that you will get the genuine feedback and you will get some good suggestions from the guest, and guest can share all their views and thoughts about the number of days which he or she spent in your hotel. So it will be a good moment to listen all the good feedback from the guests. So always ensure that front office department or any other department who are working on the feedback, or who are working on the courtesy services, to set a particular days or the time to send all the feedbacks and to receive all the feedbacks properly. Otherwise guests will also get irritated if you're continuously calling them, or if you're continuously sending them emails or SMS for feedbacks. Sir, please fill the feedback, please give the feedback, right? So just for the sake of filling the feedback, they can just fill and give it to you, but it will not be a full feedback which you are expecting from the guest, and you might get wrong information. So it is always better to see the condition of the guest and wait for 2 to 3 days and then send the feedback form. So this was all about feedback forms and courtesy services which takes place in the hotel once the guest has left. Now we are moving towards the revision section. I would like to ask the first question, that is, what is post departure courtesy services? I believe that you already got the answer for this question. Now moving toward the quiz on post departure courtesy services. I will put up the link of the quiz in my YouTube channel comments box. You can appear for the quiz and you can see the score online. These are the books which I have referred. You can read those many books. And these are the website which I have referred. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.